Hi guys, Niki here. Welcome to my art channel. I'm really excited today to reveal this collab with Sarah Taylor and Tina from TSR Creations, and we're calling it Inspirations. We decided that each of us would create 2 pieces of work inspired by each other's style in some way, and my first is Sarah Taylor inspired. Sarah's work is ethereal and draws from nature, and often you see trees and woody branches appearing amongst the cloudy pearls. It's simply beautiful. My piece is reminiscent of nature but underwater. To me it resembles coral. My canvas is a 16-inch round. Right, I'll leave you to watch it, and I'll pop back in at the start of my piece that is in the style, or it's my representation of Tina's style.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here, it's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, if I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
I'm back. Hope you enjoyed it. Next up, it's my piece inspired by Tina's style. I love Tina's botanical swipes. They're just beautiful and with endless possibilities. Here's my take on it, and once again it resembles something from underwater. To me it looks like some colourful seaweed. I don't know why a lot of my work always seems to look like something underwater. Maybe it's because I'm Pisces, I really don't know, but I always seem to head down that route. Okay then, I will be uploading these videos separately as well, as I've had to considerably speed them up due to time constraints. So they will be uploaded separately in the near future in case you want to watch them at a bit of a slower speed. Right, put some music on.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So that's my second piece in this inspiration series. Hope you enjoyed them both. If you're new to my channel, a big hi to you all and thank you for dropping by. If you like my work, please like and share, and I'd love it if you would subscribe. I've got 82 other pieces of art that you can check out while you're here, so that would be great. So if you like it, please like and share, and please subscribe. And once again, I'm very appreciative to be asked to do this collab with Sara and Tina. And thank you, and all of you to take care and stay safe. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks very much. Bye.